When installing a panel or rail and picket fence, the steps are pretty much the same. It will require you to measure out the distance needed between the posts, dig the holes for the posts, and to set them. Once the posts have been installed, you'll need to attach the panels or rails and pickets. The posts can be set anywhere from 6 to 8 feet apart for stick built, but if installing panels, you must make sure the post placement will allow for the panels to meet in the center of the posts. When digging the post holes, make them about 3 times wider than the post and half as deep as the posts are long. Placing gravel in the bottom of each hole before setting the post will provide the needed drainage. As with any project that requires digging, call 811 before you start. Your local utility companies will send someone out to mark the location of any underground lines or pipes. For more detailed information on this and many other popular projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.